Here is this free loader compressor, CPCS Blue Card, Renewal mock test. It contains 15 questions similar to what you'd get on the official NOCN Pearson VUE touchscreen test. I will first read the question and then give you a few seconds before I reveal the correct answer. Ready? Let's go. 1. What factors contribute to the risk of overturning when operators reverse, turn, and lower the bucket simultaneously? A. Lowering the center of gravity. B. Increasing the wheel track. C. Raising the bucket. D. Moving the machine too slowly. Correct answer, C. Raising the bucket. 2. What is the purpose of fitting the safety strut after raising the loader arms? A. To improve the machine stability. B. To make the machine more maneuverable. C. To save on maintenance costs. D. To prevent unintentional lowering of the arms. Correct answer, D. To prevent unintentional lowering of the arms. 3. Why is it important to keep minimum distances from power lines when loading material? A. To reduce the danger of arcing. B. To improve machine visibility. C. To increase machine speed. D. To lower fuel consumption. Correct answer, A. To reduce the danger of arcing. 4. What potential consequence can result from incorrectly loading a vehicle body, especially when it is loaded unevenly? A. Improved machine stability. B. Reduced maintenance costs. C. Increased fuel efficiency. D. The vehicle overturning onto its side. Correct answer, D. The vehicle overturning onto its side. 5. What is the limitation of a ROPS frame in the event of a rollover? A. It can eliminate all injuries to the operator. B. It cannot prevent rollovers from occurring. C. It can minimize, but not eliminate, injuries to the operator. D. It is only effective if the loader compressor has a cab. Correct answer, C. It can minimize, but not eliminate, injuries to the operator. 6. Why is the loading of transporting vehicles, like tipping lorries, considered a skillful task? A. To increase machine speed. B. To reduce fuel consumption. C. To improve machine visibility. D. To prevent vehicles from overturning. Correct answer, D. To prevent vehicles from overturning. 7. According to guidance, what is the recommended first course of action regarding vehicle reversing? A. Encourage more vehicle reversing to save time. B. Eliminate reversing whenever possible. C. Provide additional safety equipment for reversing. D. Assign reversing to inexperienced operators. Correct answer, B. Eliminate reversing whenever possible. 8. Why is it important to select the correct tool for braking duties? A. To ensure efficiency and safety. B. To improve machine visibility. C. To increase machine speed. D. To reduce maintenance costs. Correct answer, A, to ensure efficiency and safety. 9. Why is it important to take safety precautions when connecting an air hose to a breaker? A, to save time during the connection process. B, to increase machine visibility. C, to minimize the risk of injury to the operator and others. D, to reduce maintenance costs. Correct answer, C, to minimize the risk of injury to the operator and others. 10. What is the potential danger associated with an unplanned disconnection of a compressed air hose? A, increased machine stability. B, decreased machine speed. C, improved fuel efficiency. D, the hose can violently whip and cause injury. Correct answer, D, the hose can violently whip and cause injury. 11. What safety feature is standard on all loader compressors to protect operators in the event of a rollover? A, airbags. B, rollover protective structure, ROPS. C, backup cameras. D, flame-resistant seat covers. Correct answer, B, rollover protective structure, ROPS. 12. What type of tools are typically used for braking duties with loader compressors? A, electric saws. B, hydraulic wrenches. C, manual screwdrivers. D, compressed air-powered tools. Correct answer, D, compressed air-powered tools. 13. Why is visibility from the rear especially important when using the amber beacon on the public highway? A, to improve fuel efficiency. B, to decrease machine speed. C, to enhance machine stability. D, to warn approaching vehicles of the loader compressor. Correct answer, D, to warn approaching vehicles of the loader compressor. 14. What is the wheel track in the context of the loader compressor? A, the distance between each set of wheels. B, the maximum speed the machine can achieve. C, the height of the loader arms. D, the weight of the front bucket. Correct answer, A, the distance between each set of wheels. 15. What is the primary consideration when selecting a tool for braking duties? A, the color of the tool. B, the brand of the tool. C, efficiency and safety. D, the weight of the tool. Correct answer, C, efficiency and safety. So, this was the last question of this free mock test. If you made it this far, I guess you're about to take the dreaded CPCS renewal test and there are no other study materials except the long and boring fact sheet. Some people have failed this multiple times. Like my brother, who is not the brightest tool in the shed. But I still love him. Enough, in fact, to create a whole bunch of multiple choice questions from his category fact sheet. And guess what? He finally passed. That gave me the idea of creating similar mock test questions and answers for each and every category. Very tedious work, but it's worth it if it helps you study and pass the damn test to extend your blue card for 5 more years. If you wish to be fully prepared, Then you have the option of purchasing my ebook, which contains the full bank of questions based on the official NOCN fact sheet. Note that these questions are not exactly the same in the official test, but they will be similar and based on the same information from the fact sheet. So instead of learning the exact questions and answers by heart, apply logic to the answers, and use these multiple choice questions to learn more efficiently for your CPCS Blue Card Renewal touchscreen test.